Spicy chicken, but only my wall. Mm. So today we will only eat chicken lady pa. My one biggest chicken. OMG. Delicious. But have fun eating with me. Bye.